Hey guys, what are you doing? It's Larry here again for Leoy Systems. Video today I want to talk about email marketing. If you collect email addresses for your business, your facility, your personal training studio, whichever one you're doing, it is a great idea to collect email addresses. This way you have an easy way to communicate as well as showcase new services or sales or specials. I'll give you an incident where it's not being utilized. The gym I belong to, that I go work out at, has my email address because I've gotten a few emails from them, trying to sell me on services. But they had a special this past weekend where it's like bring a friend, family or friend for free, and they get to work out like 3 days, like a 3-day free pass as long as they come with a member. Didn't know anything about it. Went to the gym, saw a sign on the desk, and I'm like, what's this? So front desk person explained it to me, and I was just like, I get emails about everything else. Why didn't you guys email me about this? And they were like, sorry, we don't handle that. So I'm like, okay, not the front desk, not their issue, not their problem. But the facility collects emails, but they're not utilizing them. It's so simple to send out if you have the CRM, that you're emailing out at least once a week. Minimum once a week. Broad email to everybody. This is a sale. Hey, this is what's happening, at the gym this weekend. This is what's happening at, the yoga studio this weekend, or upcoming events. Like that's a big one. I don't want to go to a facility only to find out, oh, hey, they're having a special event today, so this area is closed off. It's like, that would be super annoying. So communication about those things is going to be key, and email is the best way of doing it because everyone checks their email, everyone looks at their phone. You have to have the appropriate subject line to get their attention to open it, but you understand what I'm saying. It's also a great way to keep up with your members. If you're a smaller facility, not a big commercial gym, but if you're a smaller facility with, like, let's just say 1,000 members, right? Or a personal training studio. This is very important for a personal training studio. You're one-on-one all the time. That's all you do is one-on-one. Maybe small group, so small groups of people, but it's very intimate and it's very close. So these people, their goals, what they're looking for. How awesome would it be 3 months down the line of you working with these people who are giving you their hard-earned money, that you send them a personalized email thanking them, for trusting you with your services, but also, hey, how are you doing with your goal? How are you doing with XYZ? Is there anything we could help you with further? On top of just the training, is there anything we can help you with for, like, moving forward? Maybe there's a referral that you could have for a nutritionist or a massage therapist or a yoga instructor, or, you name it. Or maybe an equipment guy that these people want to get a couple of weights for their house, because they're going to be, homebound for a little while, or, any other reason. Emailing out with a personalized email is 10 times better than a broad mass email to, hey, members. I get those emails. I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. What are you selling me now? But then I get an email that says, hey, Larry, we noticed you came in every day last week, but you haven't been in since. Is everything okay? An email like that, I'm going to be like, wow, they're paying attention. A little creepy, but no, it's business. They care. And again, this goes back to other videos that I made about, your value, your cost versus value. Emails like that make me feel like I'm part of something. They make me feel wanted. They make me feel important. And that's what you guys should be doing, is focusing on sending out these emails. Do your broad, company-wide emails. Hey, this is what's happening this week. Don't just post on Instagram or Facebook, because not everybody uses that. The younger generation really doesn't use, Facebook that much anymore. The older ones are still on Facebook, but they're not on Instagram, or some are just on TikTok. So you have to see where your audience is and go after them appropriately. That's why an email hits across the board, hits everybody. You're not going to miss. So email is a great way of doing it. If you're collecting emails and you're not using them, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, because there's a lot of things to be had with that, but also you're not communicating with your members. All right? That's it for today, guys. You have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.